Alrighty. Hello, everybody. It is your friend CryptoFace, and I hope you're all having a good day. As good a day as you can have. I was taking a look at the old charts, and looks like we could be having a potential little short setup coming along here. So I'd figured maybe we talk about it a little bit. It's pretty simple. Maybe we can take a look at some other charts. But taking a look at the Bitcoin 20-minute, I like how this moving average since, well, basically June 9th has been a pretty good top reader, whether it touches the top or comes into the force field for shorting. And basically, the TLDR, long story short, is that my guess is price action, most likely, highest probabilities, comes up into the force field or touches it in the 21.5s, 21.6s, or something like that before it turns back down and maybe just comes back down to this 20K again. I made a tweet a few minutes ago talking about the buy walls and basically the support numbers, you could say the support orders on the books. And 48 hours ago, I was looking at some depth charts, and long story short, from 48 hours ago, even a little less, to today to now, the amount of buys has not only been basically chopped over half, but is at a slant that is elongated down through like 17K. What was support 48 hours ago at 20K has now been spread back to like 17, basically. And so to me, basically, it makes sense that this price could maybe, hell, it might not even come up this much, but it makes sense that the price action maybe come up about half of what this was. Hell, maybe even less. This might be topped out now. I'd probably be looking to maybe start a small short right here and set more for right here. Obviously being careful. Now, seen a lot of positive tweets and messages about people that have been doing well in trading this wretched downturn. Boy, man, let me bring up the psychology chart, because not too long ago, I'm pretty sure, in a good few videos and or streams, I thought that we were basically in the denial stage, which was somewhere around like, yeah, this was the denial stage right here. This was denial. What's after denial? Anxiety? What the hell is this? Denial. Panic. Feeling the panic. I'd say right about now. What's after panic? Anger. that's coming soon. We were already, obviously, I would say we're panicked. I think angers. Hang on, my groceries are here. I have to pause this recording. Give me 1 second. Alrighty. Sorry about that. Where were we? So, panic. Now, I saw a couple things. I've been hearing a couple things, seeing a couple things. For example, one of my best friends, IRL in real life, was never into crypto, not really into crypto, but, you know, at some point, I think during this last up run, he bought a little crypto, some shitcoins here and there, and he sold a week ago. And, you know, that was the price has been going down since then. I mean, so there are people selling. It's not just, you can't just blame whales or institutions or miners. It's everyone and everything. You know, your situation isn't the same as other people's, and you don't think the same. Your mind isn't the same. Your needs aren't the same as other people. So just because maybe you're not selling and you are hodling does not mean that everyone else is doing the same thing. So definitely this was denial. Definitely going through panic because I can feel it myself. I can feel myself, and to, you know, to be straightforward, I have little crypto. I mean, I earn crypto in multiple streams every day, but I cannot hold on to something that I strongly feel is going to lose value, especially a lot of value, especially with the times that we're going through. Nothing is safe. Nothing is safe. Real estate, I was talking to my realtor today, and they said that they are starting to notice about 5 to 10% price pullbacks. And I went on Zillow and was looking at, just wanted to look at a bunch of different homes and see what the prices were on the charts. And guess what? Over half of the homes I looked at, they said that price decrease, price decrease, price decrease. So, you know, it's not about I told you so's or you should have listened to me or him or they or whoever. Because none of that matters. I'll tell you what matters. There was one person who sent me a message, a young person. And they're like, you know, I've finally was able to get myself one Bitcoin, and I lost 90% of it leverage trading at 3 to 4x. And the first thing I said was, number one, when it comes to not just trading or entering a trade, but if you're going to be using leverage in a trade, you need to be very confident and on your game and attentive. It is not a gamble. Not here to gamble. Now, granted, you know, they were young. I'm actually I don't know if surprised is the right word, but kind of surprised that there's a lot of people doing really well. Scrolling through my Twitter, scrolling through Discord, all the comments, whatever. Anyways, I'm kind of rambling here. The grocery thing got me kind of knocked off a little bit. everyone's bearish right now, and that doesn't mean that, it's time for the price to flip because everyone's bearish. Everyone was bullish for a hell of a long time. Price kept going up. It's just the growing pains. It's the pains. Doesn't matter how great the technology was. Internet was and is one of the best technologies ever made. It went up hella high and went down hella low. Now, what's going on with the Dixie? Is the dollar shooting up more here? I need to scoot over here. Let's take a look. Boy, I hope I am not on mute. All right, good. Let's take a look at the old Dixie. Oh, the Dixie. The Dixie. Yeah, I mean, overall, if money is leaving investments, assets, real estate, stocks, crypto, the value of the dollar will go up. It's the highest it's been since what? What? The last time the dollar was valued at this current amount was in 2002. Interesting. Whatever that means. Wow. Look at Rodriguez's sombrero. It is. Well, if this is 100%, let's see, that's about 50,000. 40, we'll say 40 out of 50,000. That is 80%. The sombrero of Rodriguez is 80% complete towards its 12, 11, 10, 13K target. Not far away. Not far away. And this thing might not even be able to get up here. But yeah, I'd be shorting what it was or what it is now, and having a short setup here, a careful one, not over leveraged, not stupid. And if you're not confident, you don't have to do it. Now's not the time to make mistakes. Now's not the time to kamikaze trade. Ooh. In these downtrends, what do we say? It spends much more time in the red, little in the green. Much more time in the red, little in the green. It's coming up to the green. Opposite of a bull market. Same thing but upside down as the bull trend. Same thing but upside down. At this point, we can map out more spider lines, sure, but at the end of the day, it's like we're this far down, who cares what markets it is next. And any move that it's one thing to accumulate, another to trade. And you always want to be confident in your positions, but if you are trying to trade, just make sure your confidence is a little bit more than maybe before. If you're one of the good amount of people that are doing well and trading the price action and kicking these shorts butts and kicking the market, whether you're long and shorting, good for you. If you have lost a lot and you're not feeling good and you're depressed, we've all been there. And you can always bounce back one way or the other. Not saying you lost all you're not saying you had 10 grand, you lost 9 grand. You don't take the $1,000 and go 30x leverage, witching and open. Take a step back, chill, try to be a good person, take care of yourself, friends and family, chip at it one day at a time with whatever way, your job, whatever you do. And you should be okay. Natural gas up to $29. Sheesh. How's this Bed Bath & Beyond? Oh, baby. My lord. This has been, outside of crypto, this is probably my favorite trade of the year. I don't need to, we're not trying to brag nothing, but man, I wish I put more money into this one. What's going on with Netflix? Jeez, look how gapped these RSIs. Look how weak. Look how gapped these were. And crashed right back down. I'm telling you, the space between the two RSIs on Market Cipher B, no joke. No joke. Other than that, folks, I just wanted to make a video, pop in, kind of just go over what I'm thinking. Again, in the short term, the 20-minute, hell, half the time don't even get up to it, but kind of when it's like mid-range to within that force field. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I got to say for now. 64K top. Doesn't seem too crazy now, does it? The panic and absolute, we are certainly in panic, and there will be anger. There will be anger. And man. And I know because I'm gonna be feeling what's the one? Death, depression, anger, depression, disbelief again. It's like is crypto ever gonna come back? I mean, if this goes down, you know, low, it's like we are so far away. We're so far away from 64, 69K. We're all the way down to 10, 6, 3. Boy, oh man, I'm only, you're gonna be going, oh, F Bitcoin, F Bitcoin. I'm trying to be a more friendly channel. I'm trying not to curse and say what I really want to say, but you're gonna be going F you to crypto. There's gonna be some people that are going to be blood raged. Blood raged. There's already some now, but it ain't just anger. It's like turning to the dark side, give in to your anger type shit. Ruins people's lives type stuff. So, and again, if you're one of those people going through it, we've all been there. You're not alone. And don't do anything stupid. And you know what I'm saying. You can always fight back. There's always, they say the grass is always greener on the other side. Grass is always browner on the other side too. There is always many, many people that have had a worse situation or in a much worse situation than you and have come out of it on top, will come out of it on top. So, yeah. All right, I'm done rambling. I just hope you're all doing good. Thank you guys for watching. And, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.